There are four types of winter tires: snow tires, studded tires, hybrid tires for snow and ice, performance ice tires, and all-weather tires. Snow tires have an open and aggressive tread pattern designed for snow traction. Can be studded for additional ice traction. Some examples of snow tires are: although studs on winter tires are not legal in all provinces, more tire manufacturers are offering factory studded options. Please check local laws to see if studs are permitted. Studs will make the drive noisier and can possibly take longer to stop on wet and dry pavements. If studs are added onto the tire, it is important to note that studs can only be added to new tires prior to mounting on the vehicle and never on used tires. Some examples of factory pre-studded snow tires are: hybrid tires have optimal performance on both snow and ice-covered surfaces. They benefit from the latest technology when it comes to the construction, compounds, and tread designs. These tires have a high density of sipes, which improves traction in all aspects of winter conditions and provides a quieter ride because of the tighter tread design versus a snow tire. Some examples of hybrid tires are: performance ice tires are meant to be used on performance vehicles during winter conditions. Typically, they will come in an asymmetrical tread design with lots of sipes per tread block, which will provide increased traction at higher speeds. These tires have shallower tread depth and are less effective in deep snow. Performance ice tires are also available in run-flat versions. Look out for a future training module for details on run-flat tires. For more details on the all-weather tires, please see the respective module on NTD Academy under Training. When selecting the appropriate winter tire, it is recommended to keep the OE, original equipment, tire size. However, lack of tire availability may force a customer to downsize, which is acceptable as long as certain rules are respected. The overall diameter of a downsized tire must be close to the OE plus or minus 3%. If higher or lower than the 3%, the vehicle's speedometer will read inaccurately, the ABS braking will be negatively affected, and the fuel economy will be impacted. When downsizing, the load index rating must be equal or higher than the OE requirements. When downsizing tires, calculations must be factored in. To help make this part easier, NTD has a conversion chart that is easy to follow and removes the guesswork from calculating the 3%. This can be located on NTD Connect or from one of our knowledgeable sales consultants. When downsizing in the winter, the speed and performance rating should stay the same as in summer, but is acceptable to go down by one rating if needed. Why do we need winter tires? Winter tires are not just for snow. They perform on ice and wet conditions as well as cold temperatures below 7 degrees Celsius. If using tires other than winter-approved tires, the safety of the vehicle and that of its passengers are compromised.